Hello.
Where are we going?
Sainsbury's.
Where are we going? What are we going to get there?
A notepad.
Oh, okay. And what do we need the notepad for?
We're going somewhere tomorrow and we're going to be on the motorway. And we're going to Auntie Mandy's, what you don't know, but I'm going to do a vlog there as well.
Okay. So, we're in Sainsbury's.
Yeah, I'm so excited. So I'm going to get a pen and a notepad. And
Look at all this cool stuff.
so I just don't know stuff, so I'm just thinking about this one. And it's the Incredible movie. And it comes with stickers. Now I just need pens to put it in. So. I need a pen now. I just have this incredible book. And I'm so excited to open it at home and see it in part 3. Welcome back to Tammy TV. Now we're going to open up the Hatchimals. It's a new one. And let's see. Let's open it up. Yeah. I'm so excited. Okay, we got one bit open. Oh wow. Which bit will you use? Okay, we got it open. Now let's just get one out. How funny. Okay, now we're rubbing it. Rubbing. It's changing colour nearly. Not changing colour. We need to make it change colour.
Maybe try rubbing it really, really hard with your thumb. Really hard, really quick. Does that work? Does that work?
Oh, you try.
Okay. Let's try. I've never done this before.
No, I know how to do it maybe.
What?
Ooh, let's open it. I got it open.
So exciting. And we are sitting in the car because we was too excited to wait to get home, wasn't we? So we're opening it in the car park.
In Sainsbury's.
Yep.
Oh, look at this little button.
You know who we have?
No, not yet. I'm gonna look at the guide to see who we have.
Let's see, the little monster. Is that what they're called?
No, they're Hatchimals.
They're Hatchimals.
Hatchimals.
Oh, I see.
Not Hatchimals. Hatchimals.
So what are we looking at here? The guide?
Okay, which one did I come?
Let's see if we
I found it.
And who's that?
G-E-O, Girio.
Curio. Ah, and let's show the little Hatchimal to the camera. Oh, cute. He's got glittery wings.
Yeah, he really does. He looks cute.
Very cute.
Nice.
Did we just drop the other egg?
Yeah, we did.
Oh.
Now we would have done it.
So we have got
Girio.
Curio.
I'm going to carry on cutting the egg.
Okay, right. So here we go on the second egg now.
Okay. And let's just put this egg up. Why is it not popping? Oh, I just have to take this out. Can you help me, Mommy?
This is half the fun. I'm trying to get it out of the case. And there we go. What are we looking for?
The double the twins.
Yeah. How excited would you be if you found the twins?
So excited. I just need to dip my finger in. Ow! Okay. It sounds like it's going to be twins. We don't know yet because we haven't opened it up. Okay, let's open it up.
Oh, that is one way to do it.
Oh, it's not. Oh.
Let's see. Okay.
Let's see where's the guide.
Let's see if we can find it on the guide. Have any of you guys spotted it yet?
Found it.
Brilliant.
Eat, we treat tree. Tree tree.
Tree.
I don't know what the name is.
Let's have a look. Tree. Yeah, you said it right. That's another one there. Let's see who we got. Tree. Ultra rare? Is that an ultra rare?
I think it's ultra rare because it has purple wings.
Yeah.
I wish we could get.
So we've just found our first ultra rare Hatchimals. So we didn't get twins, but we got an ultra rare. So that's not bad.
I wish we could get the twins.
But how excited are you for doing your first Hatchimals?
Really excited. Look.
Or would you like to do some more?
Yeah,
These are super cute.
I know.
Okay then, what would you like to say?
Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe. Bye.